Today we're making vegan Christmas tree brownies. These dairy-free brownies are free of artificial colors and perfect for holiday baking. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. In a large mixing bowl, add half a cup of canola oil, 226 grams of light brown sugar, 57 grams of Dutch cocoa butter, 57 grams of dark chocolate, quarter cup of coconut milk, and a half a cup of boiling water. Try to pour the boiling water right over the dark chocolate, as this is what is going to melt it. I'm using mini dark chocolate chips today, but you can also use a chopped up dark chocolate bar. Mix on low using a hand mixer, or you can also just do this with a whisk. Combine the ingredients completely until the chocolate is melted. Next, add in 191 grams of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder and salt, and a half a teaspoon of ground vanilla bean. If you don't have ground vanilla bean, you can also use vanilla extract in its place, but you're going to want to use 1 teaspoon. Mix on low until combined into a smooth brownie batter. Transfer to an 8-inch cake pan that's been lined with parchment paper and spread out the batter evenly. Bake at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. But because these are vegan brownies, you can underbake them without worry if you like really fudgy brownies. Let the brownies cool completely before frosting them. To make the frosting, add 226 grams of vegetable shortening, or you can also use your favorite vegan butter into the bowl of a stand mixer. Next, sift in 454 grams of powdered sugar. While I'm using a stand mixer for the frosting, you could use your hand mixer if you prefer. Mix on low and add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of water as needed to get the desired consistency. Then mix on high and whip for 2 to 3 minutes or until it's light and fluffy. Make sure to scrape down the bowl partway through mixing so you have a smooth and creamy frosting. Divide the frosting evenly into 4 bowls. You can just eyeball this. For the white, you can transfer it immediately to a piping bag with a Checo tip number 804. For the pink frosting, add in 1/8 teaspoon of organic beet powder and mix it in. For the blue frosting, I'm using 1/8 teaspoon of Suncor Foods Butterfly Pea Blue, and also 1/8 teaspoon of Suncor Foods matcha powder. And for the green, I'm using 1/4 teaspoon of Suncor Foods matcha powder. Mix together until you have the desired colors that you like. Then transfer the frosting to piping bags with decorating tips. You can totally use different decorating tips. These are just the ones that I use to create these tree decorations. Once the brownies are completely cooled, cut them into 8 triangles. Then pipe the frosting onto each triangle to create the design. For the white, I'm just doing a zigzag pattern. For the pink, I'm just piping small dollops all the way down the triangle. And for the blue and for the green, I'm also just doing the zigzag. These are going to create different designs because of the different decorating tips that we're using. Then top these trees with your favorite naturally colored sprinkles. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more holiday baking recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.